Dear citizens of the world, we are anonymous. Let's get one thing perfectly clear. To my subscribers and supporters, you may remember me as the one who organized the complete shutdown of anonymous operations. A branch of Anonymous that successfully waged cyber war against Turkey, Hungary, Cloudflare and Donald Trump. You may think I silenced these hackers as a Donald Trump supporter, but that is far from the truth. In fact, Trump was the only thing they ever accomplished that we admired. We, the loyalists and veterans of Anonymous, have decided to revive this operation on a far larger scale. Dear Donald Trump, we have been watching you for a long time, and what we see is deeply disturbing. Your inconsistent and hateful campaign has not only shocked the United States of America, you have shocked the entire planet with your appalling actions and ideas. You say what your current audience wants to hear, but in reality you don't stand for anything except for your personal greed and power. This is a call to arms. This is a call to the freedom fighters, to the forgotten, to the censored, to our fellow hacktivists throughout the world. This is a call to protect our future, our freedom and our very way of life. This is a call to you. We need you to shut down his websites. Research and expose what he doesn't want the public to know. We need you to dismantle his campaign and sabotage his brand. We are encouraging every able person with a computer watching this video to participate in this operation. You do not need to know how to hack to support this important operation. If you are able to re-upload this video to your channel, you will help to give this operation the momentum it needs. Share this video. This is not a warning. This is a declaration of total war. Operation Trump engaged. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We will not forget. Donald Trump, it is too late to expect us.